Want to see your CPU usage directly on your keyboard? Or have a 4-day weather forecast? How about a dashboard of all your stocks and how they're performing? It's all possible with Q Applets on the Das Keyboard Q software. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up all three of these applets on your Das Keyboard Q. Once you have the Q software open, click on the Add Applets to Dashboard button on the top, or click Customize. Make sure the Applets tab is selected on the top left. Here are the applets available to install. Let's start with the CPU usage. Click Install. Drag the green icon to move the applet to the location. I'm going to move it to the number row on the top so that the 1 key represents 10% and the 0 key represents 100%. Click Save. From here, you can choose to continue adding applets or go back to dashboard view. We'll keep adding applets. Next up is the stock quote applet. Start by installing. Drag it to your desired location and click Next. Enter the stock ticker symbol. I'll go ahead and add a few more stocks to monitor. Let's set up the weather forecast applet now. If you click on the Details tab, you can see the legend of what each color represents. Sunny is yellow, rainy is blue, stormy is red, and cloudy is purple. This particular applet will show a 4-day forecast. Let's install. Drag it to your desired location and click Next. Now select your city from the list. Click Save. And now that I'm finished adding applets, I'll click Done. Now we can see the applets performing as expected. The CPU usage is on the number row displaying the CPU usage percentage. The forecast is on the function row. And here are the stock performances from the opening of the market. Now let's edit or remove existing applets. Click on the Customize tab again and select your applet. The light bulb icon flashes your applet so that you can easily locate it on the keyboard. The arrow keys allow you to move an applet to another location. The pen icon allows you to edit an existing applet. The play/pause button will temporarily disable and enable your applet. And lastly, the trash can icon deletes your applet completely after confirming by clicking on the checkbox. Now you know how to connect applets to your Das Keyboard Q.